right story that we are tracking this hour is where the Supreme Court has now allowed burning of green crackers in Delhi-NCR this Diwali. Sale of green crackers will be permitted from 18th October to 20th October, and the top court has relaxed a firecracker ban in Delhi-NCR for the festival of Diwali, allowing the use of green crackers on the day before Diwali and on the day of Diwali itself. Fireworks from outside the NCR region will not be allowed to be brought into NCR. There shall be no supply of firecrackers from e-commerce websites. So firecrackers have been allowed by the top court, but it comes with certain riders and restrictions. The Supreme Court has allowed the burning of green crackers only in Delhi-NCR this Diwali, and the sale of green crackers will be permitted from 18th October to 20th October, with the top court relaxing the firecracker ban in Delhi-NCR for the festival of Diwali, allowing the use of green crackers solely on the day before Diwali and on the day of Diwali itself. But firecrackers from outside the NCR region will not be allowed to be brought into NCR. There shall be no supply of firecrackers from e-commerce websites.
पिछले लंबे समय से दिल्ली के अंदर एनसीआर के अंदर दीपावली के पावन पर्व पे एनसीआर को और दिल्ली को पटाखों से वंचित रखा जाता था। एक बहुत बड़ा विषय था, इस पे बहुत सवाल उठते थे कि एक ही धर्म के लोगों के ऊपर ऐसा अत्याचार क्यों किया जा रहा है, और एक धर्म के लोगों को पूरी दुनिया के अंदर जब इजाज़त है तो दिल्ली एनसीआर में क्यों रोका जा रहा है। और सच पूछो तो इस सवाल का जवाब हमारे पास भी नहीं था। माननीय दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी ने माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास अपना आग्रह भेजा दिल्ली की सरकार के रूप में, और ये बताया कि हम चाहते हैं कि दिल्ली के अंदर ग्रीन क्रैकर्स को अलाउ करना चाहिए। दीपावली के पावन पर्व पे ये पटाखे चलें और ग्रीन क्रैकर्स हों, जिससे पोल्यूशन भी कम हो और धर्म की आस्था का भी ध्यान रहे। ऐसी भावना दिल्ली की सरकार के माध्यम से माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आगे रखी गई। मैं इस ऑर्डर का स्वागत करता हूं जो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज दिया है। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज दिल्ली और एनसीआर के अंदर कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस के साथ पटाखे चलाने की इजाजत दी है।
My colleague Sabyasachi is joining me live right now to get us more details. But Sabyasachi, of course, there is going to be a lot of celebration and fanfare surrounding Supreme Court's decision. But as far as environmentalists are concerned, those on health watch are concerned, they are not very happy with this decision. The Supreme Court factored in all other aspects, barring the fact that how the choke season is upon us and it can impact young children and elderly with serious respiratory disorders.
Well, that's right. Environment expert as well as health experts are not happy with the order that has been given by the Supreme Court. In fact, they say that the air pollution level in the national capital would not come down, despite the fact that the Supreme Court has given a green signal to the green crackers, but several restrictions are in place. Now, it's going to be a challenge as far as the Delhi Police is concerned, or the Central Pollution Control Board is concerned, or the Delhi Pollution Control Board is concerned. Now, the Supreme Court clearly have stated that the smuggling of the traditional firecrackers should not be allowed. That needs to be stopped at any given cost, because every single year we see that the traditional firecrackers are being smuggled into the national capital, or people of the national capital go and buy these crackers from other areas. Now, that particular thing needs to stop as far as the environment is concerned, and that's going to be a big challenge for the authority, and that is the reason why the Delhi government minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa requested every single people of the national capital and NCR to only burst green crackers during the Diwali festival. Now, several restrictions are in place that regarding the timing. It is only allowed between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the night and in the morning around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. And the date also has been fixed by the Supreme Court from 18 to 21. And the task force that will be formed will be in charge to monitor the manufacturers as well as the retailers and the wholesalers as well. And the manufacturers need to have a barcode as well, and every single barcode details need to be put up in the website as well. Now, these are the strong observations that had been given by the Supreme Court. But on the other hand, the Delhi government has welcomed the decision that has been taken by the Supreme Court, stating that the people of the national capital are happy because the people of the national capital reached out to the Delhi government, stating that every year the other states celebrate Diwali, but in the national capital and NCR region there are restrictions, and that is the reason why the Delhi government reached out to the Supreme Court for relaxation and to get a permission from the Supreme Court to burst green crackers during the Diwali festival. But there are certain terms and conditions which has been put across by the Supreme Court, and it's definitely going to be a challenge as far as the authority and the Delhi government is concerned to make sure that the rules and regulations which has been put across by the Supreme Court are strongly implemented on ground. Otherwise, the pollution level once again will going to rise, and post Diwali, as we all know that how the situation becomes in the national capital, where the air quality index goes up to the severe category. So whether this year the picture will be same, or the Delhi government and the authorities will be able to restrict the smuggling of the traditional firecrackers and only allow the green crackers to burst in the national capital, because as per the Delhi government, they have said that today at itself at around 3 p.m. they are going to hold a meeting with all the stakeholders, and the green firecrackers will only be allowed to sold from the government authorized
Sabyasachi, it remains to be
shops.
seen whether the implementation is going to be foolproof or not, and if the people are going to adhere to the restrictions asserted by the Supreme Court. Thank you for getting us all those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.